how do you install the new EcoWasher micro-sized special edition unit to your washing machine? Oh my gosh, it's the easiest thing in the world. Okay, you put your cold water hose right here, comes up, and again, you can go and you can look at the actual installation, but I just want to explain it in like less than a 2-minute version so you can see just how easy. You don't need a plumber, you don't need any of that. Okay, those of you that already have an existing EcoWasher, you're trading it in, all you do is just switch hoses. You basically, here's the hardest part. You have a bracket, you put in 3 screws, and then what you do is you just simply take your EcoWasher right here and you slide it right onto, oops, see, this is the hardest part right here. You got to line those up. Okay, there you go. And you're done. Then all you do is you plug it in, and your unit is ready to go. Now, all you do, again, is you hook your cold water hose right here. The unit comes in a box with a hose. Screw that hose right onto here and hook it to the back of your washing machine. You're done. You're done. It's so easy, it's ridiculous. Some of our testimonies, ladies will write in and say, hey, I didn't even need my husband for this job. It's just so easy. And that's the beautiful part about this. And now you're on your way to saving thousands of dollars. And most importantly, there's something you can't put a price on, right? That's your health. What a lot of people don't know is that this poison stuff that says right on the back of your can, if you drink it, you shall surely die. Well, if you wear it, and if it's on your skin, same thing is happening a little bit slower, right? And it gets on your skin. That's why your skin gets dry, your skin gets itchy. And the older you get, the more effect, because it builds up in your system. You gotta stop using poisons to clean your laundry. You gotta stop using poisons to clean surfaces, wash your carpet, mop your floors, even washing fruits and veggies. I mean, they actually sell poisons to take the poisonous pesticides off your fruits and veggies. They sell you poisons that will take it off. I mean, insanity, just insanity. And you know what? You don't need anything else in your home but the EcoWasher SE. It does it all. I hope that made sense to you. I want to wish you a safe, healthy, pure living life with EcoWasher.